Do you want to make out?
You said you want to make out? I knew it.
Hi love bugs, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Thank you guys so much for all the support I've been getting. I read all the comments and they're just so cute. And some of you guys are really funny, I'm not gonna lie. There'll be a couple of updates about how I've been eating and my healthy diet. Also, I'm thinking of dyeing my hair again. Comment down below what you think my next hair color is going to be. I already picked it out, but I just wanna see what you guys come up with. All right, we're just gonna get into the vlog. I ordered Mark a bunch of cool hats and it finally came. Yay! I ordered to the house because this is where he lives. Duh. Mark.
What's up?
I got presents for you.
For me?
Yeah.
What did you get me?
Well, look.
This is exciting. I never get gifts.
I give you gifts all the time. I got you this.
You got me both these necklaces.
Oh yeah.
A hat? Oh shit! That's sick. Was it Jeff Gordon? Hell yeah! Freaking
That
Jeff.
looks really good on you.
Jeff Gordon trucker, bro. The flip? I'm so confused. There's hats in here?
I'm actually confused now too.
Alright, that's a cool hat right there. What is it? That's gonna have to change. This is like Christmas. 3 packages.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is sick. I can already tell. Oh, no, I love cameras. Yo, Kodak film racing. Dude, this is sick.
You look so handsome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mm.
I'm gonna see if I can scare Mark. Roar! Did I scare you?
A little bit. It scared me a little bit, not gonna lie.
Did you like that, huh? Having a girls' day.
Guys, I've come to the conclusion that I think blondes do have more fun. You can't be ugly if you're blonde, literally. Like,
Chilling at Cheesecake Factory. She's eating bread right in front of my face. Have you ever seen the girl that like puts it on her face? Literally puts bread on her face and goes.
oh my god.
Geeked out!
So you do this, circle, circle.
TikTok dances.
Here. Which leg?
It's a geeked out.
The baggie.
You're in LA 7. See, I like to take
One!
It's already you.
What?
Gymnast.
Why do I hang out with boys?
We got peepees. And we don't got cooties.
2 things girls have that we don't.
That makes up for both of those things.
Okay, we're gonna play the headphone game and we're gonna have a conversation while music is blaring into our ears. You're my best friend.
Am I your best friend?
You're my best friend.
What? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite food? Spaghetti.
No, not your favorite food.
My favorite food is spaghetti.
Berries?
Marry? Do you wanna marry me?
Who do you like more, me or your sister?
I don't wanna do what you just
You don't know?
I don't know.
What kind of guy are you attracted to?
Blonde, brunettes,
Blonde boys?
all,
Girth?
tall, e-boys, tall
You like
boys.
e-boys?
Is Pearson your best friend?
Where are we going?
I wanna go to Costco. Can I go to Costco soon?
How many people do I talk to?
I wanna go to Costco to get food.
Oh, food.
Do you wanna make out?
No. You said you want to make out? I knew it.
I got a package and I want you to rate what I picked. Okay, I got this sweatshirt.
Okay. Is that a do-rag?
4 pants.
Don't you already have 14 pairs of these?
I got this tie-dye, tees,
You are.
these shoes.
Creepers? That's what they're called.
Wait, I swear I had one more thing in here. Freaking frick. Do you like it or do you not like it?
I'm giving up on you. Yeah, I like it. I like mine better. Oh! I am the one, don't weigh a ton, don't need a gun to get respect up in the streets!
we would never do that. I couldn't leave her here, sorry. My god.
Oh, look at this beautiful human being.
Hello, Los Angeles. We are live. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell the people how you met me.
Let's just say we met at dinner.
Roxanne. God, I want to get drunk, Casey.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a little update on my healthy eating for the month and how I've been meal prepping and how I've been feeling and if I feel different. So the first week was probably the hardest week, and I have such a sweet tooth and I eat sweets probably every single day, and the fact that I didn't have a single bite of sugar for a whole entire week was driving me insane, which tells you that I was really addicted to sugar, and I actually was having really bad withdrawals. I literally felt sick, which is so insane. Knowing that I've been eating healthy for literally only 3 weeks makes me feel amazing because I've been eating so shitty my entire life. Drinking a lot of water also, which is so important, you guys. My skin has been glowing. It makes such a difference. I couldn't even thank Pearson and Mark enough to like push me to eat healthy. I have not had a sip of alcohol since I started, and you guys, I feel great.
All right, people, it's around 4 in the morning. I'm sipping on some coffee. I'm editing. I'm literally... Let's go see what Pearson and Tyler are doing. What's everyone doing? What's everyone doing?
I'm editing my thumbnail. As you can see, I've got a thumbnail of me and Logan. Oh, see that? Me and Logan. Me and Tyler just finished editing the vlog. My one hair, that's my 4 a.m. hair right there. Listen, it's 13 minutes till I have to start trading in the stock market, so I'm not going to bed either. Oh. Adelia, stand up. Adelia. I can't take this shit no more. You gotta go. You gotta go. She's out there clapping my cheeks.
We're so delirious. I don't even know what to do anymore.
I don't know either. Hey, Adelia, check the light bulbs to make sure that they're screwed in.
They're good.
Why are you so small?
I don't know.
You feel like nothing.
You almost dropped me for the second time.
Yeah, have I ever dropped you though? Almost is not dropping. It's for the vlog.
Wow, that was trash. We match, first of all. We have our little... Guys, hold on, I have camel toe. Oh. Olivia! I have a camel toe, hold on. Like, this is like a thong in here. Oh, but... Hey, MTV, welcome to my crib. Hold on, let me close the door. MTV. All right, hey guys, welcome to my crib. So today I hit 1 million followers on TikTok. So Chris, he's the housekeeper. Wow.
Oh, vlog? What? Oh my god, okay. I want to do an intro.
Ooh la la. Hey. He's like, I want to do an intro. Hi. Look at how handsome all my friends are. Like, what? Yeah, seriously, models, TikTokers.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Giovanni here. What up, boys? It's your boy. Welcome. Wow. That's it. Just welcome.
Hi, my name is Chris.
Fucking hard.
Can we get this?
Yeah. I'm like, no. Hold on.
That's a spider.
Wow, they're having a TikTok conversation, seeing if they know the same band so they can all do a TikTok together.
Where's Gio?
He's getting his vlog. Are you nervous?
Oh, you vlogging me, vlogging you. Why we vlog each other and we have a vlog threesome? What? Vlog marathon.
A vlog orgy.
A vlog orgy. Welcome to the vlog orgy! Hey!
Zero attention. Oh, damn, I feel like it's like a photo shoot right now. How do I get everybody in this? She's tiny. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Wait, no, it's not welcome, it's goodbye.
Goodbye, wait, what?
Wait, hit the like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe to, hey, subscribe and subscribe.
Wait, say
bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye.